Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're an oldie but a goodie. So recently we've been on a couple of trips. We had spring break and then we went to a wedding in Mexico, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like my routine's been all over the place, and because of all the traveling I've been a little bit more stressed just trying to get back into everything. So today we're doing a little reset, getting back into my routine and getting my life back together for spring. And today's video is being sponsored by NitraaB, and I've been using their stress relief supplement lately, which is designed to support your body's natural cortisol response using their BioSeries technology. So I'll share more about that in a bit, but now let's go ahead and hop into it. So as you guys know, we've been traveling a lot lately. We went to Orlando for spring break to celebrate Uriah's 9th birthday, which I still can't believe he's already 9. So we had all of our kids and we had some of his cousins. I think it was like 12 kids total. So of course you can imagine how fun and chaotic that was. But we really had a good time. And then literally a couple of days after we got back from Orlando, we turned around and went to Mexico for my friend Missy Lynn's wedding. I was a bridesmaid and it was such a fun trip. But between all the traveling and just being out of routine, getting back into everything has just been a little bit stressful. So I'm just really trying to find my groove and just get everything back how it needs to be. As you guys know, after you've traveled, it's a little chaotic just trying to get back into that routine. So that's basically what I've been doing for like the last week. And if you know me, you know I really don't like being out of my routine at all, especially because I work from home. I just feel like I need some type of structure just to feel my best and stay on top of everything. And I know after traveling or even just being out of your normal day-to-day, it can feel a little bit chaotic trying to get back into things, at least for me. So if my space feels off, everything else just starts to feel off too. So whenever I'm trying to reset, I don't try to do anything crazy. I just start with the small things, getting the kitchen back together, putting things back in place, and just doing the little things that help me feel a little bit more organized and get me back into that routine. And honestly, what I'm doing today isn't anything major. We've been back now for about a week, but it's really just me getting back into that habit of doing these things again and getting my space together, getting back on track, and just creating that routine that feels good and actually works for me. So now that I've got my space together, it's time to pour back into myself, because that's usually the part that gets pushed to the side whenever life gets busy. And one thing I've been trying to stay consistent with is taking my vitamins. I've been using NitraaB stress relief and I've really been enjoying it, especially during busy seasons like this when I'm trying to get back into a routine. It's a once daily supplement that's designed to help support the body's natural cortisol response, which I feel like is so important, especially when life just feels like it's a little all over the place. And for me, I just noticed that I feel a little bit more calm and balanced throughout the day. And I can definitely tell a difference on the days that I take it, especially in the mornings when I'm trying to get myself together. I also love that Ritual is really transparent about what's in their products, and everything is third-party tested, so I feel good about adding it into my routine. And Ritual also has other options like their Hyacera for daily skin hydration, which I think is really nice depending on what you're looking for. And overall, Ritual makes it really easy to stay consistent with taking your vitamins, which I feel like is the biggest thing. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll have them linked down below, and you can use my code NitraaB25 for 25% off of your first order. So I did have to head out for school pickup this day, and since I had a little extra time, I figured I'd just sit down, do my makeup, and put myself together, because this is a part of pouring back into myself. I love doing my makeup and just making myself feel like the best version of me, so I figured why not take a little time to do that. And honestly, my makeup routine hasn't really changed that much. I feel like I've been using the same products for a while now. I'll try to link everything I'm using, but it's pretty much my usual go-to. I always start off with my brows. I just like to do the shape first, then go in and add some powder and sculpt them out. That's just something I cannot skip. For foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Blur, and this has been my everyday foundation. It covers my dark spots really well, and the color match is so good. I'm in shade Gingerbread 430N, but it just blends right in, and it doesn't look too heavy. It really gives a medium coverage, but you can build it if you need to, and I just like how it kind of blurs everything without feeling cakey. I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer just to highlight. I still like to highlight this way, just going in with a shade or two lighter. I'm using the Hourglass concealer, and I mainly focus it under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, and also on my chin, just to brighten everything up. So I'm gonna set the concealer with the Huda Beauty powder, the yellow one, and I just put it under my eyes just to kind of keep the concealer from creasing. This is a step that I don't always do, but it does keep everything looking smooth. I feel like when I actually take the time to sit down and do my makeup, even if it's just for something simple, it really does make a difference in how I feel for the rest of the day. And life has just been so busy lately, especially with 3 kids. I am constantly on the go. So when I'm trying to get back into routine, little moments like this really help me feel like myself again. And I'm just really looking forward to connecting more with you guys and just sharing more. It's been 2 years since I became a mom of 3, and I still feel like sometimes I'm just trying to find my groove with it all. So for eyeshadow, I am using this Natasha Denona palette. I don't really buy a lot of new palettes these days. I usually just stick to what I have, but I got this one in PR, and I absolutely love the colors. I definitely want to do something a little more creative at some point, but for today I'm just keeping it simple, but it's a really pretty palette with such beautiful warm tones. Moving on to blush, you guys know I have never been one to shy away from blush. I definitely had a little bit of blush blindness back in the day. I'm gonna pop on some lashes because I'm definitely a lash girl. These are just some cheap ones that I got off of Amazon, so I'm gonna pop those on. And y'all know I love a good neutral nude lip, so I'm going in with a brown lip liner, and I'm using this brown color from the lip bar and putting a little bit of a nude color in the center of my lips. And for my outfit, I wanted to keep it simple, just something cute for school pickup. And I'm wearing this graphic tee with a button up on top, which I thought was really cute together. And my shorts are from Old Navy. I love them because they're a little bit longer in length, you know, mid-30s. I'm not really reaching for the Daisy Dukes like that anymore. And for my scent, I'm going in with the Flurberry Cream Body Spray. It's really sweet, a little creamy, just super easy for every day. And I'm pairing it with the K. Alley Yum Pistachio Gelato. This combo together is chef's kiss. It smells so good. grabbed my Neverfull bag. People say it's outdated, but baby, I still love this bag. My cute little sunnies from Crew, my Stanley. I've got on some white slides from Steve Madden, and y'all, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you want to see more of over on this channel, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.